What's good, everybody? Oh, we got our. I don't know why this should be freezing. That should be freezing. What's going on, chat? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's going on? So, today is going to be the first of many podcast type streams I'm going to be doing. So, I'm going to be looking to get other crypto enthusiasts, other traders, other people that are just overall active in the crypto space and prospering on my channel. I want to get everybody interviewed. I want everybody to speak a little bit about their experiences in crypto, speak a little bit about what they're doing, speak a little bit about what they've accomplished, and if there's any technology in the space that they're developing, I want them to be able to promote that and touch on that as well. Obviously, the streamers um, I'm gonna be bringing on are all looked into, so I wouldn't have them put anything out there that I myself would not do. So with that being said, oh, I don't know why it keeps doing this though. Anyways, so with that being said, we're gonna switch out scenes. The camera's gonna switch up. We're gonna be bringing in my boy here, BlocKonnect, algo trader, bot trader. Developed his own algorithm and indicator on TradingView. He's gonna speak a little bit more about that and how you guys could have access to that as well. Let's get him in here. Yo, BlocKonnect. What's going on, my good sir?
Wait, I can't hear you in
Yo,
Discord
yo, yo,
yet, by the
yo.
way.
Okay, yeah, I just unmuted. What's going on?
Okay, yo, what's going on? What's going on? Good morning. I'm assuming still morning.
Yeah, for me, morning. For you, I mean, you're living the life, right? 12, 11 hour difference. So for you, it's like bedtime, but you chilling. How's
Yeah,
everything going?
yeah.
How's everything going, my guy?
Pretty good, man. Just been traveling. I think the last time I talked to you, I was either in Mexico or
No,
Peru.
it was Peru.
Uh,
You had left Mexico already.
that's Peru.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
Peru.
yeah. It's been a while. Couple
Word.
months, few months, 5, 6 months.
Yeah, you were telling me Peru was good because the food was amazing. That's always one of the first things you tell me. You speak about the food. Say the food is amazing.
Yeah, it's funny you said that. I was just talking about the food to someone else today. I was talking about I was trying to think of a place that I did not want to go back to, but all the places have been good. But yeah, Peru, being its cuisine is inspired from Mexican and Asian food, my two favorite cultural foods. Definitely was the best place for cuisine.
Word makes a lot of sense. What like Peru was your favorite? Wait, you only traveled so far. So far you've been a crypto nomad for a year, right? Like you've been traveling and living off your bots
Yeah,
for
man.
1 year.
March 28th, last month was my 1 year anniversary of traveling.
First off, congrats on that. That's a big step. A lot of
Yeah,
people,
thanks.
regardless of them being in the crypto space, aspire to be living like that, man. Just freedom.
You know what's funny? I was only supposed to be gone for like 3, 4 months max,
And
like
then you ended
for
up
my
saying,
birthday. Yeah,
and then
yeah,
you ended up saying, forget it, I'm gone, gone.
yeah, yeah. Started with just a birthday little vacation from America, and then I was like, yeah, I have no need really to go back, you know.
Yeah. Like I said, man, congrats. That definitely is a big step.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
So far you've
Yes.
only been three places: Mexico, Peru, and Thailand.
Uh, so I've been a few places in Asia, mostly a lot of Asia. So I've been to Japan, um, Malaysia, Cambodia, and yeah, that's it. And then Thailand.
Or
I've been traveling a lot more in Asia, just because Asia's so big and everything's so kind of close to each other. It's like an hour, 1, 2 hour flight to get to a different, not country, but well, yeah, different country. Uh, so yeah, been traveling a lot in Asia.
Would you say you saw yourself doing this like from time,
Um,
specifically traveling
yeah,
around Asia?
yeah. As a kid, I always wanted to actually go to Asia. Just because my grandfather lived in Asia for a while, and he
Mm-hmm.
like fought in the war and stuff. So he
Word.
lived in Asia for a few years. And what's funny is that mainly in Korea, and like half of my family on my mom's side is like black and Korean, and like Korean.
Yeah.
But I actually have not been to Korea yet. um, but yeah, but it always was a dream. Like high school, I was like, man, I wanna travel to Asia. Uh, but that's kind of why I jumped from Peru to Asia. I feel like if anything happened, let me just do it now, man. Before you know what I
Yeah.
mean, just in case, get it,
So
get it off the bucket list.
Korea's on the bucket list.
Yeah, Korea. I was supposed to go to Vietnam uh, first, and then to Korea, but I had some complications with visas with Vietnam, so ended up staying longer in Thailand.
Okay. Word, man. Thailand. I don't know. Like, I know somebody that was living out in Thailand for a while. Like, I wouldn't say it's off my radar, but it's not one of the places that I personally have been like, I gotta go visit Thailand. Maybe you're gonna change my perspective.
Nah, nah, Thailand is lit, man. It's not like what you see like on the average like YouTube video or something like that. You know what I mean? Like it's actually it's pretty lit out here, man. Like and there's a lot of traders out here, actually, a whole bunch of traders, because
Yeah.
it's affordable to live, affordable to eat, and super peaceful, man. Like you don't have to worry about nobody robbing you or anything like that. You can walk down the darkest alley at 3 a.m. and like count money. You'll be literally perfectly fine. Uh, Very little crime out here.
The girl that I know that was doing, well, she was living in Thailand. Um, yeah, she did tell me that the crypto community out there was fairly big. She told me, yeah.
Yeah. Even when I'm at immigration, like renewing my visa, I'll see all type of people pulling out their phone and they're on CoinMarketCap, like looking at seeing where the market's at and stuff. Like I periodically see people pulling out charting apps or price, looking at price for crypto a lot.
That's what's up.
But
So, I
yeah.
mean, tell us a little bit about what exactly you do to, we'll say, sustain in the crypto market with the dumps that are going on. Like, how do you sustain enough for you to be able to travel different places? Because I'm sure a lot of people want to know.
Yeah, so mainly just right now just trading algos. Just yeah, full time trading algos 24/7. So making money, price go up or down, and then long term hodl bags. Just slowly DCAing more into those. But it's actually like if you're trading crypto and you're like kind of decent, it's actually kind of, I wouldn't say easy, but if you have like a solid system to where you're not being too greedy, it's pretty efficient to make money while trading and traveling, because it's not very expensive depending on where you're at, unless you're like in Europe or Spain or something like that.
Yeah,
But traveling to Mexico, I mean, comparing from America and like where you're at, I mean, we're pretty much the same.
yeah, yeah,
We're on the
exactly.
same price points for cost of living. But yeah, over in these other countries, coming from America, the cost of living is like a quarter of the price. So uh,
Sometimes not even, sometimes less.
yeah, sometimes even less than that. Yeah, and then eating food is like pretty very, everything's very affordable. Yeah, like probably like on a good meal, like a good even like a Michelin star meal out here, just for instance in Thailand. I mean, it would be hard to spend like $20 for yourself. Like, you know what I mean?
On
Like
one
it's
meal, you're saying it's hard to spend $20? That's crazy. Well, I mean, the thought
yeah,
of it's
for like a
crazy, but
Michelin star. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. And that's like supposed to be like a top tier award winning restaurant. And yeah, it's difficult, entrees, main dish, dessert, drinks. Yes, it'll be difficult to spend $20 for one person.
so like right now, you
But
just you programmed your algo. Like, is there anything else? Because I'm not too sure how to do all that stuff, right? Is there anything else aside from TradingView that people use? I
What do
know
you mean for running algos?
like Pine. I know people code with like what is it, Pine script on TradingView, and then they'll
Yeah, yeah.
connect
So,
that to some
so
platforms.
basically, it's yeah. So, PineScript is basically TradingView's own programming editor. So that's the place, the platform essentially where you could write the code, and then the code for TradingView is called syntax. So basically, you input functions into PineScript editor with syntax, and those will give you your algorithm of what you're trying to make. Whether it's something simple like a MA crossover, enter and exit, or something like more complicated to where you're using multiple indicators like RSI and uh, momentum indicators and ADX and all these other indicators to where they all have to align in confluence to enter and exit a trade. Um, and then they got the whole thing with having machine learning and AI plugins now. So yeah, the algo trading space is beginning to get crazy. Starting to get very more complex now that all these AIs are readily available to people. To the common folk.
Yeah, like AIs to do anything. Like I was looking at some AI art. That stuff is ridiculous.
Hmm.
Ridiculous. You have
Oh yeah.
AI generated art. You have AI generated YouTube videos. You have
Hmm.
people writing essays off Chat GPT. Like it's ridiculous, bro.
Yeah, I feel like we're in the start of the gold rush for like technology, be it with crypto and AI. It's almost like when computers came out to the regular people, but now it's like the AI is going to be a whole nother level because you'll be able to create jobs for yourself, automated, not jobs, but businesses more so
Yeah,
for yourself and have them, either completely automated or, semi-automated. Either or is a big step forward, for technology.
yeah. How long would you say it took you to get everything set up properly with your bot for you to feel comfortable enough to want to live off it?
Um, Man, that's a good question. Uh, I would say probably after like a year, probably after a year, yeah, like a year and a half, when I started seeing like consistent profits. Um, yeah, probably a year and a half. Because
Yeah.
before I was trading it, I was using it, I was trading it manually at first. And it wasn't fully automated. I was just setting alarms, not getting any sleep. That's when I was streaming so much. Uh,
Yeah,
just
that's how I
like
met you. You were doing
literally.
like 24-hour streams all the time, and you're behind the screen like 20 hours of that day. So it was
Yeah,
pretty
I was
crazy
actually
watching you do that.
active. Like I was barely AFK. Yeah,
Yeah,
and it was funny. Oh, go ahead.
like you were streaming how I stream, like just like visuals, no like face cam. But anytime you type in your chat,
Hmm.
you're there, you're responding. Or if it's not
Yeah.
just your charts on screen, it's like you were crypto gaming or something like that. Like you were on it on Twitch. I remember when I dropped the follow
Yeah.
me.
Yeah, what's funny is that during the beginning and like middle of those streams, I was actually making the algo live on stream. Like I was writing the code and everything live on stream.
Mm.
Uh, like the
Free game.
first few months, huh?
I said
Yeah, yeah,
free
literally,
game.
yeah. Like I get, yeah, I actually gave it to like one person when I first started. This dude named Cap. Uh,
Oh, I
when I
remember that.
first
He was
started, I
like one
gave
of
him.
your mods or something. He was a gamer, NFT gamer, no?
Yeah, I think it was VIP. Yeah,
Yeah.
he was just VIP. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh, yeah, and I gave him like version like zero, like beta,
Mm.
which is still the same algorithm that I trade today, which is funny. Uh, but yeah, I was trading different coins though. Like I think it was only like Bitcoin, ETH, and XRP. It wasn't. I only had like three coins I was trading in the beginning. And then I figured out that hey, you could make this fully automated to where the bot is taking trades for you essentially, so I can actually get some sleep. Um, th- See, that's
Sleep.
what I've been working on now. It's just I'm kind of I'm basically I would like to say in my head that I'm done, but there's still always so much more implementations you can do and stuff. But
Yeah.
as far as my checklist goals of what I want to do with Algo, I'm fairly done. there's just one more thing I wanted to make, which is like a dashboard that will display my like weekly, monthly, and yearly P&L just on like a all-in-one, almost like a calendar,
Yeah.
so you can see, if so you can kind of analyze your statistics better to where it's like, hey, I notice for the past 5 or 6 months, every weekend has been like a red day. All right, maybe I should stop trading on weekends and only stick to the weekday or certain other days. So that's one of the next things that I'm trying to work on.
That's dope.
Uh, but yeah, it all
Uh,
takes time. I'm doing all this stuff by myself.
yeah, that's another thing. You know, it's hard to find a
Yeah,
team even at that. A lot of people don't want a team, so doing everything yourself takes
yeah,
time, man. I'm surprised that you're saying it took you a little more than a year to work. But then again, like I said, you're putting in like 20 hours a day, so it definitely makes sense. But
hmm
I would have thought that
like
it took
man,
you
yeah,
longer.
literally. No, I mean even toward I mean to make the actual algo, like the my strategy,
Yeah.
took like a year and a half to get everything working properly without any hiccups. Uh, and then to make like upgrades and stuff, like basically to integrate all of the tools that I normally used over all the years to have it all in one, just all in one algo. And then you have people who they may not have TradingView Pro or Premium, so I had a bunch of requests, people saying like, "Hey, can you add this in this one so I don't have to like upgrade?" So I made it to where you only need um, 3 indicators, which that's what you get for free with TradingView. Um,
Hmm.
so I was that gave me a lot of work to do. It took me like 6 months to do, 6 7 months to do that. Um, so yeah, just stuff like that. Just making improvements is what I've been working on for the most part. Just taking in all the feedback from people.
Where do you have like anything that you could bring up on screen, like share your screen and I'll show anything like
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah, yeah. I
cool.
can show you. I don't think you haven't seen the algo in
No,
well,
not
in
since
a
you
long
were
time.
doing
I
it
don't even know if I
at first.
on Twitch.
Yeah,
I
not.
think even our last. Oh, go ahead.
I was gonna say like not anytime recent at all. Like you were still in Peru and you were still like that's when you were working on 3 commas. You had introduced me to grid bots. I was practicing with grid bots,
Yeah,
and yeah, you were kind of finalizing everything. Like it
but
was already done, but you
for,
were just finalizing how you were putting everything together
yeah,
on stream.
I don't even know if on our last um on the last interview did I even show my algorithm or I don't it was so long ago I don't remember.
No, I don't. I don't
Um,
think so.
but I mean I'm pretty sure obviously you've seen it before, but yeah, it looks I mean basically the same, but a little bit more things that I added. Like I would say one of the big things is the RSI dashboard. So gives you the RSI oversold overbought just live instead of you you know what I mean, like using an RSI indicator then kind of looking at it. It just gives you a visualization via numbers. Um, some other things that I added was Fibonacci. So I mean, like the most important one for me, golden pocket area, and then 786. Um, and then yeah, I added a few things. Just color of the bars, change the color of the bars. Uh, you have like your trim reversal bars that are yellow, so like going up, you see the yellow bars start to confirm. It's a momentum like reversal. So boom, comes all the way down. Yellow bars, reversal, same reversal. It's kind of a easier way to eyeball and see the reversals of momentum. And then like I don't really scalp. I'm more of a slow swing trader kind of guy.
Yeah, I know that.
Um, yeah, so you can see my trades are on the 5 day, like like uh, so and these are like all of my algos. I think right now I have 12. So uh, BTC, and then like these are the you understand like the number of trades I took in, and this is over since 2020.
Yeah, just
Uh,
I understand, but just for like the stream's purposes, just go over it
oh
quick.
yeah, if anybody's yeah. Yeah, so this is like trading views overview of your trades. So you see in the last since 2020, I've only took 38 trades. So basically, I only want one to choose one true 1 to 2 trades per month per coin for me swing trading. I don't want like 40 trades in a month because then you're giving most of your profits back during the chop. So I like to run grid
Yeah.
bots during the chop to make money instead of scalping. Like that's my version of scalping is running a grid bot.
Yeah, that's I
Um,
started to do that. To be honest, I love the grip, but
yeah, yeah. So running a swing trade strategy on top of a grid bot is like a great like 2 part strategy because it almost can work as a hedge and just medium short term profits. So I got my so over the last 38 trades, uh, this kind of how I started. Was this from 2020 exactly? Um, so BTC roughly 76 win rate. My ETH trades
73.
um 73. XRP 74 win rate. Only 39 trades. Like not that many trades. And then right now today I actually just took this short, so I'm in this short right now. And then what's nice about swing trading is like these are decent trades. So it's like 20%. But over I want to say let's see how many days was this? Over roughly 2 weeks, 15 days, 20%. Um, V chain, V chain's a little bit more choppy because it's a kind of a small cap. Um, 71 rate, BNB, and these are all coins that I hold too. So I don't really just
So it's
like algo
also
trade
a
any coin.
hedge. Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't really trade. I don't really algo trade any coins that I don't actually like long term hold. Um, so Solana, 82, crypto.com, Kava, which is like a staking coin, Kava. So
Yeah, I
same,
know
lot of chopping Kava though sometimes. Avax 74 win rate, Atom 72, Chainlink, Rune. Rune's actually like super good.
92.
92 because Rune just kind of
But you
doesn't
haven't.
really do anything.
Yeah, you also haven't taken too many on Rune. But regardless,
Yeah, I haven't taken too many on Rune. Yeah, only 13. Yeah, on Rune doesn't really move much. Like it just kind of stays. Like, but if you were trading this, like on the 1 hour or something, you probably have some decent moves. But I just swing traded on the 5 day. And then this is just like a lab, something else I was working on. Some BTC I was working on. But yeah, that's pretty much it though. And then some of the stuff that I added was like so I got ribbons, all my EMA ribbons that I normally use. Um, and then but usually I like my chart a little bit cleaner. Let's see. So basically you have the algo, which is so you got BlocKonnect algo, which gives you the data of all your trades. And then if you turn that off, you got the signals. The signals is basically going to give you the alerts, so you can make uh, basically the alerts to buy or sell alerts for your to send them to 3 commas or wherever alt tradey. What's the other one called? Trade trade. What's the blue one? Till Street or whatever it may be. Yeah. Oh yeah. No.
Teal
Yeah. Till
Street and Silico either. But Teal Street
Street.
is my like preference.
And so if you turn all these off, and then the BlocKonnect Pro Suite, that's basically just all your tools. So like your fibs, which you can change it to all the fibs if you want. I just have like I said the most important ones for me. Just cause I like my chart fairly clean. So you can do all the fibs, and these are auto calculate from swing low to swing high on wherever you're at in any time frame. So it'll basically draw the fibs for you from swing low to swing high. and then you can see the from here to here. So basically, if you were to draw your fibs from there to there, see they'd be identical. See where the 618, everything's identical. So you don't need to draw your fibs. It just automatically does it for you. What else? Yeah, and this is all the fib retracements, and you can make them change the color if you want and all that stuff. Go back. Hold on. I'm slowly messing up my chart.
Don't want you to mess it up, but I mean, so far you're going good, honestly. Somebody had asked, "Is this day trading?" I had responded to you, Cardo. It's he does more swings, but this is what he programmed his bot to do, and it'll take a trade every couple days and be in a trade for a couple days. And then at the bottom below, he was explaining all the profitability on each coin. So this coin right here, Ethereum, it's taken 45 trades, and out of the 45 trades, 73.33 of them were profitable. And then he had brought up the profit factors that he's made. Yeah, right here. So you could see the different amount.
Yeah,
like
you
when
can
it's
see
lost,
all the trades.
Yeah, so in white is the profitable ones, and then the red is obviously negative. So it won 400, won 388, lost $50. Right after losing $50, it made $119. Then lost 12, then lost 33, then lost 26, then made 781. Like that's crazy profitability. That's amazing.
Yeah,
and it's doing it all by itself.
That's
why
he
just programmed it to just click on and run by yourself. Like he doesn't have to sit there and actually operate it. Now, when the market's volatile, I assume, and he's gonna correct me if I'm wrong, he just tweaks it. He manages his bots, maybe turns it off if the market's too, let's say, it's about to shoot up, but he has shorts planned or whatever the case is. Like maybe he'll turn it off or recalculate, but everything is completely automated.
I just leave them on.
Yeah, so there you go.
I just leave them on.
Yeah.
And then I have like what do you call, like a safety stop loss of 25%, which just sounds crazy to like I guess a non swing trader or a day trader. Like 25% is crazy, but yeah, swing trading, you want to have if you have a strategy, if you're running an algo, you don't want to typically have like a 5%, 10% stop loss, because you'll get stopped out of winning trades. Like if I had a 5% stop loss for here, I would have got stopped out 5% and not closed 4%. You know what I mean? So here, like you see, this is basically the down draw. So I did have a down draw of 15% here, but I got stopped out at 6%. So, and this is just based on what I've like ran through like over the years of just studying the algo. So see, like this one, if I see, remember I told you my stop loss was 25%. See, if it was 20%, I would have got stopped out here, but I would have really closed at 4% because the market swung back up. And let's see, if I double click on this, it should show on the chart. So you can see right here, it was this short. Oh wait, or was it the short or the buy?
It's probably the buy.
Probably lost the
short played out.
Wait. Oh no, it was a buy. Oh yeah, so it was this little chop right here. If I zoom in. Yeah, so basically it was this right here. Yeah, it wicked. Can't even see it wicked all the way down here. So it wicked all the way down, but the bar closed up here. So if I only had like a 15, then you could trade it kind of how you want, but this is how I've been trading over the years. So I got a 25% stop loss on all of them, and it keeps me in the winning trades. And the ones that do have a nice little bit of down draw, usually there's some type of support like this one. It may bounce off like a support for like the fib or something like that. So, but yeah, that's basically how I trade it. Been successful trading like that.
That's real dope though.
But yeah, then I'm in a couple of not a couple. I'm in basically all the trades of the algos. Let me see if I can share my Bybit.
Yeah, like what you were
haven't
sharing
used
on like what you were
sharing
streaming.
method in so long. Bybit live. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. So for everybody watching right
Hello?
now, these are the trades that his bot is currently in.
Hello?
Oh yeah, my bad. I was muted on Discord. But for everybody
Oh,
watching right now,
oh.
like I said, these are the trades that he's currently in. Obviously based on the bot, and yeah, he's gonna go more into detail.
Yeah. Let me refresh by a bit. Yeah, so I'm in, should be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so this is basically all 12 coins that I trade algos with. So my Bitcoin, I was actually a lot up on my Bitcoin, but then like I don't close my trades manually. I literally just trade the algo because
Yo, leave it. You'll never manually even take some profits.
nah, never. Nah, I think I was up like 2 something on this at some point, but yeah, I just trade the algo, bro, because then like my I wouldn't know what the algo's doing if I didn't just follow the rules of the strategy. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
If
that
I was
makes sense.
entering and exiting, yeah. So yeah, sometimes it sucks, but then sometimes it's like, but sometimes it may be the opposite to where I'd be like, man, I should take profit on this, and then you wake up the next day and you're like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have, because now I'm up, like $80 or something like that.
Yeah, double-edged sword.
So yeah, let me see if I can make this a little bigger. I don't know how big it is on the. Oh yeah, there you go. So yeah, BTC, I'm only up like 70. Atom, I'm down on a short. So I think my biggest ones right now, so not too bad. Maybe like 300-400 in the red, but then like my ETH long is holding up 580 on that one,
Yeah,
and then my rune long
440.
is holding up 4. Yeah. Uh,
Well, your bot
but
did
yeah, then the
TP
other
a
little
little bit
profits on
on
the other ones.
Bitcoin.
On Bitcoin?
Yeah, the bot. Well, it's realized PNL there. It TP'd a little bit.
Oh,
So
I don't know. Is that from
realized
I didn't.
P.
Yeah, I didn't. What?
Because does it close the
I
whole
didn't.
trade when
I
it
don't know if I.
TPs?
Yeah, close the whole trade. But yeah, I don't know why the realized profit is still there. I don't. Did I? No, I didn't TP on or did I start?
Because I mean
I don't know if I
that's
started the
like
trade.
based on the size, it would be a lot for fun, like for you to have made from funding, right? But
Yeah, for
I
the yeah,
yeah,
because the
but
funding rate is negative right now.
yeah, and even at that, like the size of the position, so I don't think it would be the funding rate that you got paid off of. But I don't know, maybe it did TP a little bit, but you're saying it closes the
Yeah,
whole
either
trade.
either
So
TP'd or I over it was over because sometimes I'll take a manual trade.
uh,
But unless I accidentally took a manual trade on this one, because I have sub accounts, and then I exit the manual trade because I realized it was on my
oh,
algo
okay,
account and
yeah,
not
yeah,
my
yeah, 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 yeah,
like
makes sense.
manual account. But yeah,
Uh, that's what I use Teal Street for. Like you'll have sub accounts for different stuff. Like I'll connect the bot, manage the bot through 3 commas or whatever, and then on Teal Street I could watch what it's doing and watch the other accounts.
hmm
That's what I love about terminals.
yeah. Till Street's probably the best one, and I'm assuming like they got rid of most of their bugs. Cause I remember when I was in Peru, remember they were bugging. Well, I don't know if or like Bybit wasn't loading or something. Sometimes they have. I mean, it is what it is for a free program, but sometimes they have issues with like different exchanges. But they do the upgrades pretty fast, I must say. So
There's been a little
uh,
bit of bugs, but I wouldn't
mm,
say yeah. I mean they fixed a lot of them because now they even have a desktop app. I don't really use it, but they've been
mm,
upgrading and they're
use the
coming out with
web.
a mobile app. Yeah, they're coming out with a mobile app as well.
Oh, about time. Nice. Wait, don't they
Yeah.
already have one for OS for Apple?
I was looking and I didn't see, but look, I'll go check right now.
Oh.
They said they were coming
Speaking
out
of
with one.
OS, I was gonna tell you, but I want to wait for the stream. Did you see that all of Mac computers have
Have
Bitcoin
a
white
hidden
paper inside
Bitcoin
it?
white paper. Yes, yes,
Dude,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
that's wild. That's weird.
I
Yeah,
just saw
it's
that.
kind of interesting. Yeah,
Uh,
that's a I don't even know what to think about that. I mean, it's definitely interesting, obviously, but yeah, that's odd, bro. That's an odd thing to, out of all the secret things. Like, and why did
Yeah.
and then first of all, it's like, why y'all got secret files? That's kind of weird, cause like, what other secret files y'all got? You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
But
Like, it's,
yeah, the
I'm
fact
gonna.
that they threw in a secret file and you can't even find it based on, you know, like Bitcoin, searching the word or something. It's literally hidden.
I got a
Yeah,
MacBook here. I'm
it's
gonna
pretty
go look that
interesting
up.
though.
But last night before I knocked out, when I was messaging you on Discord, I actually saw that.
Hmm.
But
Yeah, and I was watching some video today. This dude was saying, if they're in MacBooks, I wonder if they're in OS phones and Apple phones too, hidden somewhere where you could find it somewhere in the like
I got an iPhone.
iOS
I should
data
check.
files. Yeah, I mean, well, yeah, they haven't found out a way to find it, or even if it's there yet. But yeah, the possibility of this being there is high now. That the fact that they're in all MacBooks and not like some versions, like all of them, like MacBook
Mm,
Pro, MacBook
yeah,
Air.
it's just as
Uh,
long as you have a certain OS. Like it depends on
okay,
what
okay.
version of it. Like it's a certain version
Mhm,
up. Like let's say like if it was on Windows, I forget what version of OS, but like let's say if it was on Windows, like
mhm.
every Windows 9 and up computer is gonna have it. But obviously everyone has past Windows 9, so yeah, it technically comes out to every computer.
Uh,
But yeah, it's crazy, man. Once I saw that, I'm like, huh,
uh,
are they gonna incorporate some kind of cryptocurrency technology with Apple, or are they just doing that
yeah,
to pull people's leg? Like
the,
why would you do that? Like, when
yeah.
I saw that, that's the first thing I thought. I'm like, is Apple coordinating something with whatever crypto?
Maybe. Well, all Samsung phones have a blockchain wallet in them.
No,
I don't know if you knew that.
I bought my
Yeah,
last
all
Samsung
Sam.
phone. No, listen, I bought my last
Uh,
Samsung phone thinking that, but when I got it, it's just a key
mhm.
store file. So you just store your keys. It's not an actual wallet. Like,
Well, are you sure? Or is it?
are you sure? Did you?
Well, I mean,
I
isn't your
still have
keys
the
is the
phone.
wallet
No,
basically?
no, 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 no. Like you could
Uh,
literally just save like mango, turkey, diaper, like your mnemonic phrase or whatever. That's all you put down. Like
uh,
it doesn't actually
but
open a
you
wallet.
can't send or receive.
No,
Uh,
no. Which I got my
nah,
phone
bro,
thinking
nah,
that,
nah,
bro.
nah, nah, nah.
Or bring it up right
Hey,
now on
I'm looking
stream.
at mine right now.
Bring it up. I have the
Uh,
phone. I'll go on the phone.
my phone. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can put it
No,
on my
I'll go
phone.
on the phone. I'm talking.
Uh,
Let me see. Is
it
it
should
this
be
one?
called blockchain wallet,
Yeah, but go on.
and it literally says I can send and receive. It gives me address. It'll give me address. Like,
That's okay. So then that's crazy. They probably updated it. Send me a screenshot of that on Discord.
yeah, they probably. Oh, yeah, I do the screenshot. Yeah,
Because
'cause
when I
they're
was
putting it on
doing
my
it
phone. There's
before
a
and
lot.
looking, all it
Yeah.
said was like key store files or whatever. Like you would just put in, and then I had made a fake wallet just to put it, and it wasn't telling me no
Mm-hmm.
save. I mean, it wasn't telling me no send or receive or anything like that. So I'm like, what the hell? What's the point of this? But I literally
Let me
got.
send it to you right now.
Where's the phone, bro?
Yeah, yeah. I just sent a screenshot on Discord. I don't use it because I don't really trust Samsung like that. I mean, I trust Samsung
No,
obviously
but
because
to put it
it's easier
on
for my
like
phone.
directly to the phone though, that's like,
Yeah, to put all my crypto. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. I rather just use a offline
oh, what
wallet.
the fuck? No, nah. You see, it wasn't at all like this before.
Uh,
That's actually crazy. Let me bring that up quick.
yeah. That's when I started getting. I mean, I always been bullish on crypto, obviously, but that's when I had added confirmation. That's like, hey, this is that this is gonna be the future, like for real, for real. Like, like,
But yeah, bro, I don't know, man. The tech that's about to come with this is real intriguing. But at the same time, with everything going on in the world, it
mhm.
is a little
Oh, with all the
frightening.
countries moving from the dollar and stuff.
Yes, somewhat just that, but just overall with the direction of technology, and like just putting into factor how quick AI came about, just that alone, like just everything. Like I'm for
Yeah.
the advancement, but it's just we
Hmm.
are going a little quick with a lot, is what I kind of mean.
Yeah.
Like you got people going on whatever AI program that is. I don't know if it's GPT-4 or whatever, but
Hmm.
did you see when before Trump got arrested, people posting those pictures? Let me go show AI
Oh,
generated.
yeah, I seen him where it looked like he got arrested already,
Yeah,
but he wasn't arrested yet.
working in like Krispy Kreme and all that stuff.
Yeah, yeah. The AI.
Yeah, like you could
There's
tell,
a Discord for that.
you
Are
could
you in
tell
that
like
Discord with the AI
certain of these
Discord?
are fake. No,
Yeah, but they're only gonna get better though, to where it's gonna be
but
like
that's what I'm saying. You could
kind of
tell
hard,
these
but
are fake and
yeah,
whatever. Like definitely, you tell
yeah.
these are fake, but there's so much that like. Here, let me share my screen. It's so crazy how this is one
Right.
that'll look like it's like straight out of a movie. It's like someone just screenshot a movie or screenshot a TV, bro. Like, yo, all these people look like
Oh
real.
yeah,
All these people, I don't know if they are real
real
people,
people.
but like, how crazy is that?
Yeah,
Like, people
yeah.
could just go on the internet now and do this. And then on top of that, have you seen the guy who made a song? He made some Instagram rapper. He made a song and he
Oh,
had an
I
AI
think I saw
generate
that.
he had an AI generate a verse like with Jay Z's voice
Hmm.
and lyrics that Jay Z never
Oh, I
spit.
saw that. Where did I seen that? Yeah, I seen that on YouTube. I forgot who posted it. I don't know if it was an
Let me go see. Hold
MKBHD
on.
or yeah. I seen it like a couple days ago, like 2 days ago.
That was crazy.
I want to make an AI YouTube channel where the AI is making the videos.
Yeah,
That's what
I
I've been
saw
looking
that. I
into.
looked that up the other day on stream. Like that's a crazy idea for cash cow content YouTube channels. Like where you just generate like some kind of informational video and then you just transfer that over
Hmm.
to a program that's literally like Canva for videos and you have an AI generating the speech that you control how it sounds, how quick
Hmm.
it is, the
You
pair
know
like
that there's an
everything.
application. There's an AI application where you can record your own voice, and then the AI will make every video sound like your voice. It'll, you know what I mean?
Like what do you mean you just record your own
Wait, hello.
voice? Like
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. So basically, you would talk to the AI for maybe like 30 minutes or an hour.
Okay,
10 minutes, whatever it
that's
may
what I'm
be.
saying. Okay, yeah, it's gonna have to be a while
Yeah,
for it to.
yeah. It's gonna, yeah. Mhm. And then yeah, it's gonna, So when you write stuff, it'll actually sound like your voice. So one of the ideas that I want to do is, since I do so much with algos, I basically wanted to create one of those YouTube channels where it's like, I mean, there's so many, but I'm just giving. I wouldn't probably do. I mean, it is clickbait, but they'd be like, 90% win rate algo. This is the algo. First you do
Yeah,
this,
yeah,
take
yeah,
the
yeah,
MA
yeah.
crossover, then yeah, yeah.
But yours isn't
But yeah,
clickbait.
to do one
It
of
might
those,
blend in with the rest of the clickbait, but I mean, at the end of the day,
yeah, yeah.
you show people what it is. You pull up your
But
screen.
yeah, I also wanted to review other people's algos. Like people, I wanted to maybe review people who actually like who's been live trading, not just some algo that somebody slapped together with Chat GPT or that somebody found. Because there's a thing. Oh, there's a secret about these algos. Wait, let me show you real quick. Uh, all right, wait, you on my screen? I'm
Yeah,
gonna show you
I'm
how
watching
people
this.
trade algos, right? Let's go to something slow like ETH, right? So when people show algos, right? Let me move this. So here's what they do. Are you seeing my screen right now?
Yeah.
All right. So let's take for instance this buy signal, right? So the buy signal came in right around 1542, right?
Mm.
1542. But here's what people show on these YouTube. So see, my algo is on bar close, right? But people show the algos like this. Like, oh, well, I have mine on absolute, so you can't really see it. All right, so for instance, you can see it over here. It shows you that it enters the trade. Oh, you see it right here at the bottom
Mm.
of the bar. Like you're not getting bottom of the bar entries. You know, you're getting the close, which is up here. So like for instance on this one, it wouldn't be 1563 at the bottom of the bar. You would actually be closing like up here at the actual bar close. But what people that they show you at the bottom of the bar close, they don't even have the close or the entry. They're just showing you they look like this. Let me see. You go to style. See, I have mine's on. Let me see. If you go like bottom and then top, like above the bar. Wait, why is mine? Oh, I know why. Actual one head. Hold on. Wait, I don't know why can I can't even set mine up
What are you
like
trying to
that.
do?
But basically, they have the buy signals like down here. So when people are measuring like oh buy on here right, they're measuring it like this. So they're like, and then they're doing manual back tests, right? And they're like, this was, you know, a 24% from the swing low to that, but you're not getting in there because it didn't close right there. It actually closed right here. So you're actually, you know, only 16%. But I mean, on you know, usually they're trading like the 1 hour or the you know 15
So
minute or something.
you're saying that
You're
the
not.
algo operate like it clicks in on bar close. It doesn't click in on that wick.
Yeah, yeah. You're not trading. You're not trading the bottom of the wicks. You're trading the bar close. So like what they do on these YouTube channels for like the clickbait is that see like this buy signal it didn't you didn't open it on the arrow. So
Mm.
I'm not getting you know the high wasn't 17% on this. Actually I got in on the bar close on the candle close. So actually it was only like a 7%. You know what I
Mm.
mean?
Yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah. Big
round up.
difference.
Yeah, so I, that's what they're showing. So like you'll see like a buy signal down there because that's how they have their that's how they clickbait you. And then people are thinking like, oh man, this algo is really good. And then they're back testing like, oh my god, that would have been 31%. But actually, it was like 17%. But I mean, this is like mine because it's pretty decent on a swing trade. But you know, if you're doing this on an hourly, you think you're getting 5% trades on an hourly or on a 15 minute, but actually you're getting like 1.5 percent upswings,
Yeah.
so yeah, it's not actually. So like for instance like this short, it'll be like you'll see the buy signal right here. So when people go to back test, they're like, oh man, from swing high to low, oh man, that was 20%. But it's like, no brother, it's the candle close. So it was only like 17%, which not too much of a big difference on a swing trade. But when you start getting into these like
It's good, but it's
trading on
not
15 minute or something.
as big as they make it seem on the clickbait videos.
Uh,
You're saying.
it could be not even profitable. It can go from
Mm.
looks like profitable to like when you really do it, not profitable. Uh, like it could be worse than what you do